What's up, YouTube? The Car Boys bringing you another video. Today I'm just gonna give you an update on what's going on with the Acura that I bought from Copart. I got a future build for this car. Hopefully everything falls into place. I'm just waiting on one last part just to really get this car on the road. I'm waiting on one last part, and yeah, she'll be on the road, and I'm gonna let you guys know what all I have in plan for this car, for the channel, and everything else so forth to come on and all that stuff. So I'm gonna flip the camera around, show you guys what's going on with the Acura, and yeah, let's get on into it. So what I have done to the Acura so far is, you can see the wheels off. The wheel is off because I'm waiting on one last part, and that part is the inner and outer tie rod, because as you can see, as we move this, that tie rod, so waiting on that to come in. That should be here next week around Wednesday. If you guys want to see me do a video on replacing that, let me know in the comments and I will do a video. It's a little bit of surface rust on the rotor. That's completely normal. It's been raining, so of course it's gonna get a little bit of surface rust. It's not bad. Down here, as you can see, we have an oil pan because I was changing the oil but didn't get to finish. So yeah, that's that. And some other things I'm gonna be having coming for this car are, this car is gonna be getting straight pipe for sure. That's definitely gonna happen. I got some exhaust tips that I'm gonna order. That's burnt at the end, so it's gonna have that, like, you know, the burnt tip look. So got them on, gonna have them on order. I got cold air intake, gonna have that on order. Front lip, side. Well, actually, I'm gonna try tailless front lip and front the A spec, what you want to call that. But yeah, I'm gonna try to get that, find that used, because online used they're running like $230, so I'm gonna try to find one locally, so it won't be that hot. So yeah, find those, and the side skirts from the Type S. Gonna clean those headlights. What else is going on? What else? I can't name too much, but yeah, that's some stuff that's coming to the car. Yeah. Just want to give you guys an update on what to expect coming from the Acura. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on your post notifications, be notified every time I upload a new video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.